Microapps or microapplications are small, task-focused apps designed to perform a specific function within a larger digital ecosystem. Unlike monolithic applications that try to do everything, microapps are built to solve one problem exceptionally well. Think of them like individual Lego bricks, each one distinct, simple, and purposeful, but together they can create complex solutions. Their design philosophy is about simplicity, modularity, and ease of integration. At the core of microapps is the idea of user-centricity. Instead of navigating through a complex application to find a feature, a user interacts with a microapp that performs just the task they need, nothing more, nothing less. For example, instead of opening a large HR system to request time off, an employee might use a dedicated time-off request microapp embedded in Microsoft Teams or Slack. This reduces friction, saves time, and enhances productivity. Microapps are also platform agnostic, meaning they can be embedded and used across different digital platforms. Whether it's a chat app, a web portal, or a mobile dashboard, microapps offer consistent, targeted functionality wherever the user is. This makes them ideal for modern work environments, especially those using tools like Salesforce, Microsoft Teams, or ServiceNow, where microapps plug directly into daily workflows. One of the defining characteristics of microapps is their independence from monolithic back-end systems. While they may connect to large enterprise software like SAP or Oracle, they operate independently from them in terms of user interface and user experience. This separation allows microapps to be lightweight, fast, and more resilient to changes in the underlying systems. The architecture of microapps often draws inspiration from microservices. Each microapp is typically tied to a microservice or API that handles the back-end logic. This modularity allows organizations to deploy, update, or replace individual microapps without affecting others. It also accelerates development and enables teams to respond to business needs with agility. From a development standpoint, microapps reduce complexity. Teams can develop them quickly using low-code or no-code platforms, making them accessible to business users and citizen developers. This democratization of app development helps organizations innovate faster, bringing small but high-impact tools to users without long development cycles or heavy IT involvement. In terms of security and governance, microapps can be managed centrally through a microapp platform or orchestration layer. This ensures consistent access control, data privacy, and compliance, while still allowing decentralized development. Administrators can monitor microapp usage, enforce policies, and retire outdated apps, all without micromanaging every update. One of the major use cases for microapps is digital workplace productivity. Companies like Citrix and ServiceNow use microapps to simplify employee experiences. A service ticket update, expense submission, or meeting reminder can all be delivered via microapps, reducing the need for context switching between apps and making everyday tasks seamless. User experience is a big win for microapps. Their limited scope ensures a clean interface with minimal distractions. By doing one thing well, they deliver faster results, lower learning curves, and higher user satisfaction. This is especially helpful in mobile-first or frontline workforce scenarios where users need quick, on-the-go access to tools. However, microapps are not a one-size-fits-all solution. Organizations must still manage integration challenges, such as API compatibility, data consistency, and maintenance of multiple small apps. A robust integration strategy and governance framework are essential to prevent fragmentation or redundant microapps that confuse users. In summary, microapps represent a shift toward agile, user-focused digital experiences. They embody the principles of modularity, simplicity, and speed, making them an essential part of the modern enterprise tech stack. By enabling users to get small tasks done quickly and efficiently, microapps reduce friction, improve engagement, and help organizations stay adaptive in a fast-paced digital world.